Pete'sTools.com.
G'day guys, Pete from Pete's Tools. Great to see you here again today. Hey, another beautiful day here in the South Pacific. You can't complain when the sun's out and it's hot and, you know, I might go swimming later. Hey, put my bikini on and scare everybody. Anyway guys, I brought some of this tape the other day. It's a magnetic tape that the kids use to make fridge magnets and that sort of stuff. I thought I'd give it a go and see if I could actually use it as a guide to cut around when I'm cutting out shapes for the old plasma cutter. It would be ideal if you could use it just to stick it on and do your shapes and then peel it off. So anyway, we'll see how that goes guys. Same as usual, if you like my videos, subscribe, drop me a like, drop me a comment, come say good day to me in the comments below, and let's get into it, eh? Yeah! So this is just magnetic strip tape guys. You can buy it basically anywhere. It's as cheap as chips. It says it'll make any surface magnetic, so we'll see what happens. We'll see if it can handle the heat of my plasma torch, eh? So my thoughts were I'd put a little design here if we want a shape all the way down there, and I'll see if I can use the plasma torch to cut out the steel. What do you reckon? Right, so let's take this tape out of the sucker, see what we've got, eh? Throw that away for another day. No, it's definitely magnetic guys. It's got, looks like it's got paper on it as well. See, it's got like a paper film on it. So I don't know if we take that off or not. Anyway, well, let's take it off. Oh, I see, that side there is sticky. So we don't want it sticky. So what we need to do, basically, is stick it on the steel. I mean, this is really cheap, guys. It sticks alright too, but look at it. This was really cheap, guys. It was about, I think I paid about $4 for it or something stupid. So anyway, if we stick it here, go right to the edge, Pete. Stick it here, stick it on, and then I think we better make a shape when it's already on there, if you know what I mean. So we're not pulling it on and off, like so. Not quite long enough to do the full strip, but anyway, you get the general gist of the idea. So if we go like that, and then maybe pull them up a bit this way, so we get them to the edge, make a corner like that, so that's quite a nice shape there guys. So we'll see if we can actually cut it, eh? So because I didn't cut this piece of steel off before I started, we're going to have to do this freehand. But anyway, we'll see if it works, eh? Give it a crack, Nigel. Give it a crack. Let's cut this bit off here. How'd we go, guys? Look at that. What do you reckon? Looks like a pretty damn good shape to me. That would be ideal for body panels or something if you're repairing your car body. Excellent. So if we take this magnetic strip off, guys, look, we can still use it for the next project as well. We haven't burned through it or anything. Yeah! So stick them there. And if we actually have a look at the shape, guys, see how we started off really nicely here. It's a beautiful contour on there. You couldn't do that freehand. All the way around here until we get to the end there where I ran out of tape, and then I had to do it freehand, and look at the cock up here with the freehand bit. So it definitely does work, guys. Let's have another go, eh? What I'll do this time, guys, just before we start, is just whack it off here so I've got the right amount of tape so I don't have to do anything freehand, and we'll see if we can get any better, eh? Beautiful, Pete. Beautiful. So what we've done, guys, is we've cut it off now so I can use all the tape and I can just follow it around. So we'll make a bit of a snazzy shape and then we'll see if we can cut them out, eh? What I do is stick it on there first and then make your shape. Otherwise, because if you're trying to do it like that, it won't really work. So if you stick it on, it's got something to hold to and it will hold your shape while you're trying to do it. What do you reckon? That looks like a pretty swirly, shapy, sort of a shapy shape thing, doesn't it? What do you reckon? Round there, round there, round there. Hey, see if we can cut that out, eh? Yeehaw! Looking good. Looking good. How did we go? Yeehaw! Yeah, we cut through my table underneath. Looks pretty good to me though. What do you reckon, guys? Hey? Try and do that freehand. Well, you might be better than me, but there's no way in hell I can do that freehand. Look at the curves on that, eh? Look at the curves, don't you? Let's love it. And the side, eh? That'd be awesome for automotive bodies and that sort of thing. Yeah, I'm quite impressed with that. For a little cheap bit of tape, and you can use it over and over again. Hey, Pete can live with that. So guys, what do you reckon for a cheap bit of magnetic tape that the kids use to hang their magnets on the fridge with? I reckon it's pretty awesome, cutting shapes and that sort of thing. For the sake of a couple of bucks, you can make yourself look like a real pro when you're cutting detail with your plasma cutter. Anyway guys, same as usual, you like my videos, subscribe, come say good day at pete'stools.com, and we'll see you next time, eh? Bye.
pete'stools.com